Welcome. In front of me is a HAMMERHEAD Karoo GPS bike computer, and I'll be going over unboxing and get a quick look at the device itself. So, getting into it, we do have a pull tab, which works just fine. Thank you for actually doing this better than Samsung can. And this Now that's not very good design. Why the hell would it be upside down if I'm gonna be looking at the front? It would make freaking sense that it's at the top right here instead at the bottom. Great design. That's speaking sarcastically. So let's peel that off, and is it labeled which one is the power button? Nope, so I'm just gonna start holding all of them. One of them is bound to be a power button. At least I hope so. No. Ooh, there is a button too. Okay, so let's try this one. A little red coating, there we go. So there is actually a power button right here. I can see there is a red line on there if you look at from the back. Then this next to it is a charging port. That is a very hidden power button. Now anyway, inside here we have our mountings. So this you obviously mount to your bike handle. Come on, let go. There we go. Twist that out, and here is our attachment. And in here we have our Type-C to Type-C charging cable, if you ever need to use it, along with our manual, and that's about it. Ooh, and that's actually a really nice color display. Holy crap, I didn't expect that one. On the photos, it doesn't really show that it's color, but it's not like super visible, I would say. Just like two colors there, so yeah. Anyway, except you can actually set it up without connecting it to an application. Wow, thumbs up. And it has Wi-Fi. Not sure how I feel about that one. And it's, by the looks of it, running straight Android. This is a typical Android keyboard, so let me just put in my password. Okay, next, up to date, cool. Skip. Offline maps region. Come on. Can I find anything? Poland, cool. Let's go to the next page. Metric, yes. And there we go. So is this like a later basic heart rate, power plus heart rate, indoor ride, a GPS bike computer for indoor riding. Okay, that's that's something. Let's do just a basic one. So here we go, it's loading, it's showing us our speed, which is 0 right now. Now it might struggle with finding the location as I am in the basement. So I don't know how well that's gonna work right here, but obviously if you're not riding your indoor bike with the GPS navigation, well, inside in the basement, you should be completely fine. But in any case, what do we get right here? So we have auto pause, whatever, doesn't really matter. So we do have some options right here. I believe this is running Android, as the keyboard would imply so, but if it is, it's running a very modified Android right here. This is like just absolutely unrecognizable. Let's see, if we go into about, what do we get? We got model, serial number, build number. Let's see. Okay, so developer options are enabled, which would obviously imply that this is Android. System update. Current version, what do we get? Not mentioned. No. Trying to figure out which one will enable the little Android kind of looky weird animation thing. So I'm pretty sure this is Android by the way it's kind of acting, but as you can see it removed any kind of info about what it's running, which normally you would see Android information right here. We do have build number. The way you enable this looks exactly like it does on Android. So it does have a very similar kind of look, which usually if something looks the same, it's because it is the same. And Android has the thing that you can quite heavily modify it. So therefore, I do think this is running Android. I don't really want to check it online if this is it. But if it is, it would also mean that you could possibly be able to sideload things, as that's usually what you can do with Android, which would also mean that it would be much more versatile than it actually is. But other than that, it's already a pretty decent device. Color display, pretty nice bright one right here with the GPS tracking, Bluetooth, and so on. So yeah. Anyway, that's basically everything here. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.